Well, I'm sure that you have done a lot of projects around this. Do you have some kind of case references or feedback for our audience to understand how really it had went well in that context?
Okay. Firstly, let me tell you, this is not a new material. The first building that was constructed by my team was in 2008 in Coorg. And these were staff quarters in an estate of a very well-known person. And it's still being used. It's been 16 years now, and people are still living in it. It's not been maintained well because these are staff quarters, and despite being, maintained the way they have, it's, lasted very well. And we have done over 300 buildings. I mean, more than that, I haven't kept count. And we have done all the way from, like I said, Himachal Pradesh down to, I think the south. We have done work in Karnataka and Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. We haven't gone into Kerala yet. We hope to go there, enter that market soon. What happens is the amount of air conditioner used is very minimal. So the operational carbon is also low because of the less electricity that is used to either cool or heat a building. So in fact, talking about cooling buildings is something that we do very, very often, because in all the commercial complexes that is done. But we've also done the other way, where we have worked in places like Himachal Pradesh, places like Manali, Spiti Valley, Kargil even, where we have insulated buildings. So they have seen a difference in temperature ranging from like 7 to 8 degrees all the way to 20 degrees.
Oh, wow.
Because of the mixture of materials that we use. So if a client has an application and a result that they want, they come to us and we combine different kinds of materials to give them the result that they want. So we've done in all these places. And in size, if you look at size of buildings, we have done anywhere from 100 square feet all the way. I think the largest building we've done is about 7 or 8,000 square feet. It's a large building with 30 feet high walls, and the whole building was done without a single column. It's a large studio. So we've kind of gone to all the different kinds of buildings. And other things that we are working on right now are dismantleable buildings, where you can dismantle after a period of time. Like for instance, our current factory was built and it wasn't meant to be dismantlable, but we built it in another location and they asked us to move. So we literally cut the panels and pasted it in the new location.
Okay.
So the next factory building that we're building next door is going to be completely dismantlable. So tomorrow we've taken the land on rent, right? So tomorrow we have to move out. We can just undo the whole thing and put it in another place. So this works very well for labor quarters, site offices, where they have, builders and developers, they have marketing and site offices which can be dismantled and put in the new location. Migrant labor can have buildings which can move along with them to different locations. So we're doing a lot of stuff.
Probably a good alternative to the shipping containers which are being used in that capacity.
It is. Shipping containers, one, it's very hot inside, and actually before that it's very difficult to get them because people have found it very difficult to book shipping containers. You have to wait for 6 to 8 months, and then to insulate the shipping containers works out to be very expensive. So this is a very good alternative to shipping containers.